Hi, in this video, we're going to have a quick overview on Product Reviews Import and Export plugin. Once the plugin is installed and activated, select the Product Reviews Import-Export from the WooCommerce menu. First of all, we'll go through the steps for exporting product reviews. You can specify the total number of reviews to be exported in the Limit field. For example, if you enter 50 in this column, the recent 50 reviews will be exported. The Date field ensures that only the reviews gathered within the specified date are exported. In order to filter reviews by product, select the respective option from the Product section. You can filter the review based on the star ratings as well. Select the required star ratings from the given drop-down list. By default, all the reviews will be exported. To export reviews only from verified customers, select Customer, or else select Guest from the drop-down list. To enable export of reviews with replies, tick Reviews with Replies checkbox. Enter a delimiter to separate the mapping values. By default, a comma is taken as the delimiter. The Column Mapping section is where the actual data columns are mapped. The column represents the default WooCommerce product review fields, and Column Name field represents the CSV column header. Now that we have our settings in place, click on the Export button to export your product reviews. You can see it's downloaded, indicating successful export of product reviews. Now let's move on to Import. To initiate the import process, click on Import. There are two methods for importing reviews, either from your computer or from another server via FTP. The first method is to import products by uploading a CSV file. You can create a CSV file by using any spreadsheet application. Alternatively, you can easily download a sample CSV file from our documentation page. You can see it's downloaded into the system. You can edit this downloaded CSV, enter your product reviews into it, and use it back for importing. Just click on the Choose File button and select the CSV file from your computer. The second method is to select a CSV file from your FTP server. You need to provide your FTP information for importing product reviews using this method. Ensure that your FTP connection is established by clicking on this button. The section below provides advanced options for product reviews import. Check the Update Reviews if exists to update existing product reviews. The existing products are identified by their SKUs and product IDs. By default, a comma is taken as the delimiter. If any other delimiter, like a semicolon, is used in your CSV, you may specify it in this field. If you're importing reviews of grouped products based on SKU, then enable this option. By default, they're linked using product ID. Ignore this if not applicable in your context. Finally, click the Upload File and Import button to proceed further towards Map fields. Map Field section allows you to map your CSV columns to default product data fields. Map To column represents default WooCommerce product reviews fields to which CSV columns has to be mapped. Column Header section holds drop-down lists of the columns in the CSV, which can be mapped against corresponding WooCommerce fields. A Valuation field is used to fix or update one or more fields with desired value across all product reviews. This is not a mandatory field. Suppose you want to assign one to comment_approved. Under Evaluation field, write =1 in comments approved or not row. You can hover the mouse on the Evaluation field header to know more on it. After mapping all the required fields, click on Submit to start importing. Now the import is completed.